Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Lincoln Elementary School, home of the Lions, here in Madera, California. Just got done sharing my heart. For the evening session, we talked about leadership, turning our passion into our purpose. Earlier in the day, we talked about positivity for the student assemblies and for the teachers as well, all here in the cafeteria. The sub-theme for that one was be your best self. And the whole idea behind not just the positivity one, but the leadership one tonight was all about, being a positive person for this planet and hopefully stepping into the leadership qualities that each of us have, right? And I wear this shirt for this particular program. It's a multicolored peace sign. There's so many different ways to be a leader. Some of us lead with our voice. We're loud leaders like me. I talk a lot. Some of us are more quiet leaders. We just lead by example or by our actions. And there's no right way or wrong way to be a leader as long as we're doing something positive for this earth, right? And we're talking about being a leader. We know that every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. And so if we can stay humble in nature and know that we do things because they're heavy on our heart and we do things for the right reasons, that's really what life is about, right? And the idea is, we always need to ask ourselves, what are we doing for others? Not just ourselves, but what are we doing for people around us? Are we putting people first and things second, or is it reverse? Hopefully, the people in our life, our family, friends are very important, but we also need to protect our goals, our dreams, and our passions, right? And this is also in the shape of a heart. That's where our passion lies, inside each of our heart. That thing that makes us come alive, that fire in our belly, right? The things that we're good at, our gifts, talents, abilities, we can already start using those at a very young age to start making an impact here in this world. And the people that attended tonight, the parents, the families, the students, they really did get that, right? They started thinking about their legacy, what they want to be remembered for, hopefully like someone's helping hands, hopefully like the bowling ball, the strong person with strong values, strong character, someone that follows the Lincoln way here at their school. And they try to, put that into action each and every day, right? And no matter what we go through, have gone through, will go through, we know that we can also always keep our head up. That's the shirt I wore for the youth programs throughout the school day, but the words are upside down on purpose because if you're looking down and feeling sad, it's a reminder to always keep our head up, right? To always think positive no matter what. And it's easy to be negative. It's easy to let the negativity kind of rain down on us, or the storms happen inside of our hearts and we focus on that more than the positive. But we know that we have to get past that, right? Whatever we tell our brain and our heart, it's going to believe. We don't want to tell it something negative. We want to tell it something positive. The person we're going to speak to the most in our life is ourselves. We want to make sure that we're continuing to be kind to our mind, that we're continuing to be kind to others. But once we, have that internal fire, right, and that desire to go and help others and believe in our own power and potential, we start to see things really change. And that's what's so beautiful for me. So many of the students tonight too had their M's traced on their hands. This is something I bring up in every program that I do. But the idea that all of us are true miracles, right? We see that in ourselves and others. With the lines on our hands, trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one in each hand. This M stands for miracle. Upside down W is for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And so it's our job, once we buy into this, to go out and be that light to someone else's heart, right? To help them see this as well. And despite any difficult circumstances that we might encounter, these are opportunities to make us stronger. And maybe the things that we have to go through can give us that experience to go and help others, right? That are going through similar types of stresses in their life or similar situations. And it's, again, so imperative that we continue to just do our best each and every day, right? That true excellence is not about being the best, it's just doing our best, right? And that's every area of life, right? Not just in the school subjects or in the classroom, but how we treat ourselves, how we treat others, and how we really look for chances each and every moment, each and every day to go and hopefully try to heal hearts around us, right? To be that change, to lead that change that we want to see for this planet. So thanks for touching my heart. It was a beautiful day here again at Lincoln. Had an amazing time getting to speak to the entire community, and hope to be back again in the near future. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.